been playing the tongue drum for a while now, and what I've realized is that I've found out that there's 6 different ways that I've been using my tongue drum, and I wanted to share a couple of them with you. So the first way to use your tongue drum is obvious, and that's just playing for pure fun and enjoyment. You could sit down and just play the tongue drum on your own and just enjoy the different sounds and melodies and rhythms that you come up with. Another thing to add on to that, though, is that it can also be fun to just play not just with yourself, but with other people. So doing a duet with someone or playing in a group. And a tip for that is to make sure if you're going to play the tongue or tank drum with other people, to try to find scales that are either the same or in harmony or compatible with the scale that you have. So the second way that you can use your tongue drum is for meditation or relaxation. I find that this drum is really soothing and calming, and when I play it, I kind of go into just a different space, and it's really relaxing. And I've been using my tongue drum in some of my meditation practices, and some of the best meditations that I've had have been while I'm playing the tongue drum during them. So the third way that you can try using your tongue drum is to actually use it to connect with nature. So try taking it outside with you and sitting next to a plant or a tree and just playing the tongue drum to kind of ground yourself and connect with your environment. I've actually really enjoyed taking my tongue drum down to the river and playing next to the banks or near big trees that I go on my walks and see, and it's been a really neat way to just kind of ground myself with the outdoors and connect with the different trees that are in my area. So the fourth way that you can try using your tongue drum is to actually use it to do some chakra balancing. And if you're familiar with chakras, you may know that each of your chakra centers actually correlate with a specific note. And most tongue drums have all, if not some, of the different notes that correlate to your chakras. So if you're feeling like you have some stagnant energy or just feeling a little off or wonky, you can actually find the different notes on your tongue drum and associate those to the notes for the specific chakra that you're wanting to balance or clear, just kind of free up from any stagnant energy. So the fifth way that you can use your tongue drum is for sound healings. And a lot of people are actually using the tongue drum in their sound healing practices because the combination of rhythm and melody really help your brain and your body go into deep relaxation and kind of alter your states of being. So if you're a trained practitioner or just wanting to use the tongue drum specifically for healing, you can use it in ways that kind of help balance someone else's energy fields or just help them calm down or relax if they're experiencing anxiety. And the great thing about that is if you are using the tongue drum for others for sound healing, you're not only benefiting them, but you're gaining the benefits of the healing from the drum by playing it yourself. So the last way that you can explore using the tongue drum is to try using it for space clearings. If you notice that the energy in a room kind of feels a little stuck or stagnant, you can use your tongue drum as part of your space clearing practices to get that energy in the room to flow a little bit better. So I would say if you already are familiar with a space clearing ritual or practice, just explore incorporating the tongue drum into that. So those are the 6 ways that I've been exploring how to use my tongue drum. If you know of different ways or have been exploring other uses, please share in the comments. And if you're new to playing the tongue drum, feel free to check out some of my video lessons on the tongue drum basics. These lessons are part of a full online course. So if you're interested in the course, there's a link in this post bio about how to find out more about the online course called Tongue Drum Basics. Thanks so much and happy drumming.